morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, guys. Today is Monday, I think, right? Yes, Monday, March 30th. I am not sure how many days we've been self-isolated. It's almost like, I think this might be our third week. But today, since it's Taz's day, wow, was that English? Since it is Taz's day off, we decided, actually I decided and he just had to do it, that we are gonna deep clean the house and declutter. It's more like a decluttering and clean, not too much of a deep cleaning. We're gonna clean as we go, but the priority is to get rid of stuff that we don't need or bring joy in our lives, or it's just like taking up space. So I'm gonna show you the house or the apartment, and then from there we're gonna tackle one thing at a time. Oh, hello.
We have so much to do.
So much to do. Okay, here's our kitchen. It's super dirty. Has to put that away. Mail, my purse that's been there for 5 days, maybe 5 weeks. And then like the groceries, and then something that I want to tackle are just like the cabinetries. There's just so much stuff that's not organized anymore. Like just stuff that's just sitting there. And then we have a bunch of mugs that we should probably like maybe go through. Okay, so we're gonna start with the kitchen, putting things away, and then decluttering this. Lego. Hi friends, hitting you with a voiceover. I thought it would be fun to kind of talk about what we were doing throughout these time lapses. So first of all, we just started clearing out the kitchen, putting away the groceries, taking away all the extra clutter that doesn't belong in the kitchen, and then got down to business. We started with these two cabinets right here. That one that I'm cleaning was full of breadcrumbs. It was just absolutely disgusting, and we just kind of let it sit and sit and sit. And so we just took everything out. I cleaned the breadcrumbs out and everything else that was included, and kind of rearranged it with what we use most of in the front. Then we moved on to this one. I kind of threw a lot of things away here because it was things that we would use never. So like our waffle maker, that was actually quite disgusting. It was just taking up space. I ended up throwing that out because it just overly greasy, just not good. Moved on to the spices and medicine supplement rack. We cleared out everything, and then from here we cleaned it, and then honestly we just kind of took our time to see what was expired, what wasn't, and what we were still able to use. I think that we have a lot of different things that are sent to us sometimes and that we just don't use it because it's just an overwhelming amount. So here I am just cleaning everything out, medicine, stuff that are just expired that I don't need. We reorganized our spice rack, and it ended up being so beautiful. Moved on to this cabinet, and it's just full of mugs. I threw away things that I just don't use anymore or that are empty. And Taz and I, we love mugs, as you can see. So we kind of just figured out which ones we use the most of, and then the ones that have sentimental values we put up there, like I'm showing you here. And then from there we moved on to utensils, kind of did the same thing here. This is my little supplement cabinet where I put all of like the protein snacks. And then lastly we did the cabinet under the sink, which is like the nastiest cabinet, I think. And that was it. And then we cleaned everything else up and just put the final touches, and that was it. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. It is now 3:15 and we just completely finished the kitchen. I'm actually really proud because sometimes when we'll deep clean or declutter, we'll do some of it and then we're like, oh, you know, we can do the other cabinets later. But we went through every single cabinet. Everything has been cleaned, put in place. Like, I'm so excited.
This one had crumbs everywhere because our toaster goes down here. Yeah. Crumbs everywhere.
Clean this out. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so proud.
We put the mugs we don't use
in here for storage because they pretty much have like a sentimental value. So we put those away and just cleaned everything. So the kitchen is finito.
Organized.
Yes, organized, all of that.
Smells like vitamins though. Let's shut that.
Vitamin. It's so tasty too. Now I think we're going to pause for a snack and then figure out what's next. Maybe that one since it's right here just to organize. And then while we're here as well, we're probably just gonna organize. Nothing's really cluttered here. Everything's gonna stay. We're just gonna like fix it up a little bit and then move on to the rooms. Next, we moved on to this little desk area, and Taz and I have a bad habit of just like putting things wherever. So we just kind of cleared it all out and designated a place for everything. And then I just moved on to the living room just to organize everything as it was not that messy.
It's time to do our favorite thing in the world.
No, you're doing this. I'm gonna toggle that.
Okay, you can do that.
Wait, do you want to put the laundry in now too then?
Sure.
Guys, I just looked in here. Look what she just did. Creepy crawler in here. Okay, it is, what time was it? Because we want it to be done by 6. It's 4:22. And we are gonna, this is the one that gives me the most anxiety. This bathroom. We're gonna try to tackle the bathroom and the closet. The closet is not that bad. We just literally have to hang things up and organize. That's not bad. What's bad, for me specifically, is this. And this. Now, I have a feeling that I'm going to throw a lot of stuff away because it's expired. I have a problem, which is why this looks like this. If I don't see something, I won't remember it's there. And there are so many things that I want to use. So I literally just leave them out. So what I might do, I might, depending on what I throw away, I might bring this little guy out just so that I can see more things and just experiment more, because I have been wanting to try new things, but I don't see them, so I don't do it. So wish us luck, because we gotta do this too. Look at that. Oh my Lanta. Taz, you ready? You're ready. Yours is gonna take like 2 seconds. Here we go. I don't know. I don't want to. All right, you guys, I am so happy I did this. I have never been so satisfied in my life. So this was a huge undertaking for me, but I'm so glad I did it. And what I started off doing, I kind of just took everything out of the cabinet so I can see, or actually put in what I wanted to. So right here, I'm working on my second cabinet, which is like my go-to stuff. And then I started just throwing things out, testing things to see if it was expired, if it was not, if it had a weird consistency, if it smelled bad, and just threw away anything that I either haven't used in a really long time or was expired. This was super time consuming, but it just had to be done. I also consolidated a lot of things. So I had some individual eyeshadows that I put into a palette. And again, I just started sectioning things off where things needed to be so that I can find it more efficiently when I'm looking for them. Here, I decided to bring out the makeup holder. So I brought it out and I just decided to organize the heck out of it. I'm organizing my lipsticks here, so that when I'm doing my makeup and I want to decide what color lipstick I want to wear or what eyeshadow or what blush, I can go to one specific designated place and just make it so much easier for me. From there, I started just organizing the closet, and that is that. Hello friends, I am not done yet. It's like 7:15 I think. We just had dinner. I took a 20-minute break to have dinner. But I promised Taz that we would sit and like Netflix a little bit. And today is his day off. So I'm going to call it for the day. I'm not finished. I'm almost finished. I feel like I only have this cabinet left. But it's a lot of like deciding where I want it to go and if I want it. So I'm just going to end it here. I have to put this stuff away as well. I put everything that needed to like a place in this little plastic thing. And I'm just going to stick it in the closet for now. This is what this looks like. And I'll review everything tomorrow. But I'm gonna go spend time with my mans, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
The next day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It is now the next day. It's about 10 a.m. I've been up since like 8. I did my quiet time, had some coffee, did a little bit of work already, and I have client calls at 12, starting at 12. So I wanted to give myself maybe like an hour to try to finish the bathroom, because if not, I'll never finish it. If I don't get it out of the way right now, it just won't happen. So I'm gonna do that. I don't have much to do, just this one cabinet right here, and then just put the final touches on the closet. So I'm gonna do that. Of course, taking you guys with me. Let's do it. All right, and finally, last but not least, my skincare drawer. I pretty much just separated everything into like deodorant, moisturizer, exfoliant, oil, and then I decided what I currently use the most of, and I put that in the forefront of the cabinet. You'll see here I cleaned everything out and started putting my little separators, put them in, kind of rearranged it. It's the easiest for me. And then moved on to the bottom drawer. I made this drawer kind of like my own little shopping center. You'll see in a second what I mean, but I just put things that I have not opened yet or things that we'll be using soon, but not just yet. And then just like skincare tools as well. Then I did one last wipe down, and then I was finally done with the bathroom. All right, friends, all done. I'm so excited. It's now time for show and tell. So we'll start here with the closet because not very many things. So perfumes, my little baggies. This is my giveaway pile for my friends. This is some brushes and some giveaway stuff. This is all of my hair stuff back here. This is extra makeup that I don't have a place for here that I actually do use. Eyeshadows, some powders. This is all face mask stuff. So we have some of these like masks that you put on your face and then like clay masks. More makeup stuff, eyeshadow. This is back here is the SPF and like skin. And then right here is like muscle recovery. So I've got like oils, onyx and rose oils, a heating pad, the Theragun, and just more like ointments and stuff here. This is like our medicine cabinet. And then we have like towels and sheets. Down here I have my hair stuff, brushes, blow dryers, diffusers, etc. This is everything like travel stuff. This is what I normally just take, this bag here. And then back there, I have like hair rollers that I never use. And then, what's this called? Come on, bathroom. Oh my gosh, toilet paper. Wow, yummy. And that's that. And then the main event, like I said, I moved this out here. I woke up and I already loved everything about it. I feel like I'm gonna have to change some things around depending on how I use more or less of whatever. So let's just go through it. This is my jewelry that I wear mostly every day. Down here we have primers. Here we have foundations and concealers. Then up here we have bronzers and blush, highlighters all here. Then here we have like tools, makeup remover from Tula, chapstick. I just have some like eye tools here. This is setting powder, but I don't know where to put it, so I just put it here with the Whitney palette that I still use, lip liner, and this is like the lipsticks that I use daily. And then over here we have the highlight kit and then the contour kit. Over here we have everything brow, so brow pencils, brow gels, and like the tint. And then here we have all mascara. I only have 2 mascaras, and then the rest are eyeliner. Then here we have the kits, and then this is actually a bronzer. Super expensive, but it's so old. This used to be my, oh no! Ah! This used to be my grandmother's. Ugh. This is why you shouldn't do things with one hand. Anyway, it was already broken before, but I just can't part ways with it. So I'm just keeping it right here for sentimental value. Let's put this back here, back there, and then Tati Beauty sponges. And then here is just more tools, so like my sharpeners, tweezers, chapstick, and then all of my lipsticks. This is Bare Minerals. I love Bare Minerals so much. ColourPop, Bare Minerals over here, Chanel, my only 2 expensive Chanel things that I got as a gift, Tarte, and then my brushes, and then over here I have my setting powders and a big bronzer. From there, we move on to here. This is all skincare stuff. I've been just using all of my Tula, and then this company, Primera, and of course Bare Minerals. This is also stuff I use when I want to switch it up, so that's back there. Then I have some perfumes, and then I have my like skin tools, deodorant, and then these little natural cotton balls there. Then the next drawer is all nail stuff back here, acetone, all of my hair stuff here that I use daily, so like my brush and like all of my serums and stuff. These are just random things that I do use, like my menstrual cup, my tools to wash my makeup brushes, wax strap kit. And then on this last one, this is where it gets interesting. These are the things that are still unused. I have my tanning stuff here, extra deodorant, extra spray, and then extra skincare. This is what's not open yet, so I'll just grab from here. And then I have my little mask, some wipes, and then my Vanity Planet brush kit that you guys have probably seen in the past. I can't open it with one hand. I don't want to break that either. And that is it. I love it so much. I woke up this morning and I made my juice or my smoothie and I was like, oh, the kitchen just feels so clean and so beautiful. It just makes me feel so good. I have not been able to do the office or our closet. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know below and I do that. But I am going to finish the vlog right here because it's probably super long already and I don't want to make it too long. So if you guys want me to film the closet and the office, let me know and I will do that too. But if you have any questions on anything, also let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.